Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the new lesson on the GATT and WTO. Myself, Professor A.S. Rathod, Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding, KQ College of Agriculture, Nasik. So let us see how to GATT was formed. The prolonged recession before the World War II and the devastation caused by the World War II leads to the Bretton Woods Conference, resulting in the formation IMF, IBRD, and ITO. The IMF, IBRD, and ITO were formed in 1945, but USA didn't ratify ITO. Then 23 countries met in Geneva in 1947 and signed an agreement on tariff and international trade. The General Agreement on Tariff and Trade is nothing but the GATT. Popularly, it is called as the GATT. Set of multilateral trade agreements aim at the abolition of quotas and the reduction of tariffs among member countries. Signed on October 30, 1947 by the 23 countries in Geneva to take effect from 1st January 1948. It consists of 8 rounds of trade negotiation. Principles of GATT: no discrimination, prohibition of quantitative restriction, consultation. Objective of GATT that to raise the standard of living, to ensure full employment and large and steadily growing volume of real income and effective demand, to develop the full use of resources of the world, to expand production and international trade. So these are the different countries, the year countries, reduction in tariffs in billions. So these is the charts given here. The evaluation of GATT strength increase from 23 to 125 countries, and the different evaluations here given in the slides. Then the next, that is the formation of WTO. The World Trade Organization was established on 1st January 1995. It is the embodiments of the Uruguay rounds result and the successor to GATT. WTO has 153 members, India being one of the founder member. The headquarters of the WTO is located in the Geneva of the Switzerland. Child become a parent and parent child, as like the process of the GATT and the WTO. Then headquarter of WTO at Geneva. This is their building. World Trade Organization is an international body designed to play the role of watchdog in spheres of trades in goods, services, foreign investments, and that is the IPR, etc. WTO is the only international organization dealing with the global rules of trade between nations. Its main function is to ensure that trade flows as smoothly, predictably, and freely as possible. The member countries, the function of WTO, that is administration of WTO trade agreements, forum for trade negotiations, handling trade disputes. It acts as a watchdog of international trade, monitoring national trade policies, technical assistance and training for developing countries, cooperation with other international organizations, providing technical assistance and training for developing countries. Then administration of agreements, GATT trips, dispute settlement mechanism, anti-dumping measures, agreement on agriculture. So these are the two main aspects, that is the GATT and the WTO. Then GATT, that is, it is the General Agreement on Trade and Services. It covers 4 modes of international delivery of services. Then TRIPS, it is the trade related aspects of intellectual property rights. It's also the most important to protect the right of inventor or the any new innovation. IPR are the rights given to person over the creation of their minds. These exclusive rights are given for uses for certain time period. Objectives of the TRIPS: to encourage and reward creative works, technological innovations, fair competition, consumer protection, transfer of the technology. Then TRIPS, in that it covers right for copyright, retail rights, trademarks, geographic indications, industrial design, layout, design pattern, and disclose information, as like the next, that is the trade related investment measures. It is no country shall apply TRIPS which is inconsistent with the WTO articles. The following are the inconsistent: local content requirement, trade balancing requirement, and foreign exchange, domestic sale, and the requirement. Then this is the dispute settlements here given there, the anti-dumping measures, then agreements on agriculture, and that the market access, domestic support, export subsidies, tarifications, tariff bindings, and the this is the main difference between that the GATT and the WTO is given there. It is GATT, it is the one type of agreements, and rest of that the GATT WTO, it is a one organization formed in that the 1995. Then different abbreviation is given in that the slides, then references is there. Thank you.